Nestled in the heart of Indiana County, the Indiana County Technology Center serves over 400 students from 8 sending schools across the county. Since 1980, the Ictc has played a pivotal role in hundreds of lives. 3 decades later, we continue to redefine career training in revolutionary ways. The evolution of our programs follow industry trends, fulfilling unique workforce needs right here in our own backyard. The Ictc is empowering tomorrow's workforce with an engaging, real-life approach to career and technical education. We offer 13 high-demand program areas in a variety of career pathways, including manufacturing, construction, public services, automotive, and information technologies. Each of our program areas provides students with meaningful learning opportunities unavailable anywhere else. Our students learn technical skills in a real-world, hands-on environment. Instructors are not only highly qualified, credentialed educators, but have a proven record of success as industry professionals. Employable, certified, and driven. That is what an Ictc graduate looks like.